Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this man disappearing video edit on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to go like here, and I'm going to freeze frame that, and I'm going to just go to AI stylize, select style, because it only can be applied to photos, particles, and you're going to select this one, and you're just going to wait for it to process. Once you're done, I'm just going to right click create compound clip so that I can make this a little bit faster, like the animation. As you can see, it starts here, so I'm just going to delete the rest so that it's like it's faster. Like when it freeze frames, it like disappears. If I don't do that, it will be delayed. So let me just copy this first and just undo that. If I did not compound clip that, as you can see, the effect is very late and I do not like that. So I like to just add the compound clip and make it a little bit faster. I think I need to do that again. Hold on. Let me just do that again because it disappeared for some reasons. There we go. Okay, compound clip and just make it shorter where the effect actually starts. So here. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!